Here we got the instructions. Our remote, that is one of the reasons I bought this product, because how cool it is controlling your lamp with its own control. It includes batteries. And here we got all the parts of our lamp so we can put it together. Here we got the base. It's really heavy, guys. That means this is gonna have a lot of stability and there's no way it will fall. So here we can notice the lamp. Here you can see, you can't even notice that it's screwed on because you can't see the metal. So I love that. Now we plug it in and we make sure we press the button to make sure it's on or off. And we're gonna put the batteries to our remote and we're gonna try it in different places of my house. In the remote, we can see we have different buttons. This one is to turn it on. This one is to put a 1 hour timer. This one's are to put lower or higher the lights and the temperature it has. This one is to change the temperature too, like natural light or warm light, yellow light. This one is the night mode. This one is the baby mode, work mode, and study mode. So now we're gonna try it. Now I'm gonna turn the lights off so we can see how good the lamp is. I was really impressed when I turned on the light because the light is super strong. Here I'm playing a bit with the remote, seeing how high the light can go and the different temperature it has. Here it has yellow, then we can turn it more blue. And you have a lot of options like night mode, baby mode, and all the ones I showed you before. It has a really light brightness. As you can see in the next clip, it can light up and completely change a room. The light ranges between 3000 lumen and 6000 lumen. I also love that we have the timer option and the color temperature option. One more time, you can notice my house doesn't have too much light, and this lamp has changed my living room completely. Another thing that really makes me love this lamp even more is that the high head rotates a lot, so you can direct the light whatever you want.